give us a little bit of insight on some of the challenges and what's important when you're leading through a quality management system integration as the leader of that.
Yeah, so an important aspect that we must keep in mind when we go through the integration is ensuring that there's a right buy-in from the senior leadership. And if we don't have that part of it, it's certain to fail. So that's something that we must always keep in mind front and center as we go through the overall integration process. Having a good plan in place, making sure that we have our details of what needs to be done, how it needs to be done, what resourcing is needed, and also how do we recognize individuals as we go through the overall integration process, and going through informal audits on a periodic basis to make sure that we are on track. So having the right project management skills intertwined with the understanding of the regulations that exists, as well as the expectations from FDA notified bodies, as well as the different countries that we need to meet as part of the overall integration. So those are some of the key concepts and the key aspects one must keep into focus as you go through the integration process for the quality management system.
So, I mean, what I hear you saying, I mean, it's amazing, right? We have these incredibly complex products in many instances, and complex systems. There's a lot of moving parts, but some things come down to very simple. There's very simple aspects, right? Because you're talking about leadership, you're talking about having the right talent, the right people in the right positions. And one of the key things that I heard you say in terms of strong project management skills and the people leading those key stakeholders, communication, making sure that timelines are being hit, and all that comes down, back to emotional maturity, respecting other people, understanding where they're coming from, how important that is to the entire process, and that leadership comes from the top. First of all, having the confidence in your plan and the direction of that plan, and then being able to execute on it.
Yeah, those are some of the very key aspects in making this overall QMS integration be successful. It's the people, the right people in the right seat, and focusing on what needs to be done in what time frame, and then being actively working towards it are key to making it successful.